Hey guys, it's Tom from Tentworld here. Next to me today we have the Coleman Daintree 25 litre wheeled hard cooler with keg. Let's take a look at it. So taking a look at some of the features on the outside here of this cooler first. As the name suggests, it is a wheeled cooler, so we've got these two large rugged wheels here on the side, so they can be rolled across some more rougher terrain if need be. We've also got these carry handles on the side here, along with this handle up the top here if you want to wheel it. That's adjustable, simple push button, go down, or pull it up and you can wheel it back, or if you need to lift it, like I said, you can grab these sturdy handles on the side and lift it up like that. And then at the front, we've also got this nice stainless steel latch here, which helps open and close that lid. So this can be used as a standard cooler, but it can also be used as a keg. So obviously, like most coolers, the whole inside of the body is fully insulated, and the lid, the silicone lid as well. So if you pop some ice and drinks in there, close the latch, it's gonna keep those drinks or food cold for hours inside of there. Or if you want to use it as a keg, you can actually fill the cooler up 25 litres worth of whatever liquid you want in there. And we've got this built-in tap down the bottom, so once we push that down, you can fill up your glasses with whatever you've got inside. And then we've got some handy 4 little cup holders here on the top, so that can double up as a little table for your cups as well. As I mentioned at the start, this is a 25 litre cooler, so it can store around 40 cans, or like I said, if you want to use it as a keg, have about 25 litres of whatever liquid you want in there. And it also has a dry weight of 2.2 kilos. Thanks for watching, guys. And like always, if you have any questions, please feel free to visit one of our 15 store locations across Australia or chat to our online team. Happy camping.